I didn't have to see how it is.
Oh, come here, obviously.
Come here.
Stop.
What?
You're just being a little too handsy.
Come on, baby. Come on. We talked about this. It's been like 3 months. Hey, I love you.
You do?
Yeah. Really? Whoa. Touchdown. Oh.
Did you hear that?
No, my parents are out of town.
Oh, yeah.
It's cool.
No, I really heard something.
What did you hear?
I heard something loud. Go check it out.
I didn't hear anything.
I did. It was a really loud sound. Go. You're not getting late. Check it out.
Yep, going. Okay. Oh, come on. I'll be right back.
Okay, go.
Tiffany, baby, there's nothing upstairs. All right?
The screams are alive with the sounds of murder. The touch of flesh, the taste of blood, the smell of sweat dripping down. Something takes control. I need to get out in the night with Mama taught me. The need to kill, the need to kill. I wanna live, someone help me. I'm not ready. I need to kill, I wanna live. Then you should have been
Hey, bitch, I know what we are doing tonight. LOL.
Daddy?
LOL, now that's funny. No, we're going to the bonfire. You know what those old voodoo mothers? Ooh, it's Halloween night, you brute.
It's not like that.
Come on, you gotta get out.
I'm waiting for Mr.
How about Mr. Right
He's
now?
tall, dark, and handsome.
You're dreaming.
I give him my purity.
What, you're gonna bang?
You're disgusting.
Are you really for real? What you need is a feel. Do you even know how to give a blow? Blow the cobwebs aside from the crib that you hide. If you wait anymore, you'll stop working.
What am I gonna do? Live my life as a truth. I don't even know what a blow is. Maybe now is the time. Life is passing me by. I don't wanna be pure forever. It's time to live.
It's time to
live it up.
You did what with my dad? Oh, Jim is here. Hi. LOL.
Someone said LOL one more time. I'm gonna go on a killing spree.
Yeah, my band, Vera Mysteria, and the Wild Snakes, I know they're gonna take 5th on Saturday's show. It's gonna be radical to the max.
Let's celebrate.
Oh, that Spuds Mackenzie's not sitting right. Hang on. Oh.
Baby? Baby? Likes the cock a lot.